All right, so the left is the new LED. The right is the factory halogen, which it's really hard to see because this camera just doesn't do much justice, but this thing is twice, if not 3 times as bright. It's white compared to ugly amber orange. So there's your difference right there on the LED lights versus the halogen. Look really nice. There's the LED, there's the halogen. So there's halogen, and there's LED. To me, it's a huge difference going from an old halogen to an LED. These are the bulbs we're using, is the Install Bay H4 40 watt LED bulbs. Pretty nice stuff. Gotta get it in the hole. Was trying to be a little difficult for us. Get her in there real nice like. Here's both of them installed. If we could turn the lights out, I'd show you how bright they are, but they're pretty bright. At least twice as bright. Crazy white compared to what the amber was. Just looks so much cleaner than what it did.